G'day, Andrew from Street Machine here at Lights Out 3 at Sydney Dragway. We've just bumped into Dale from Castle Hill Performance, who's here still in the early stages of getting this car dialed in with the new combo. Dale, tell me all about it.
It's just a 548 big block, pair of 94mm turbos, Haltech engine management, 2-speed turbo 400, 315 radial.
You've been out for one hit already today. How'd that go?
Yeah, we went 7.0 at 207 and then turned it up a little bit and it just blew the tyres off it every time after that. So we'll turn it back down for tonight and try and go from A to B.
Tell me about the combo that was in this car previously. It was a big tyre LS combo, is that right?
Yeah, it had a big slick. It was a 427 LS7 motor. We went 7.3, 194 with that. And then we took that motor out and put it in that little RX3 and it went 677 in that car. So it's it was a fairly stout combo.
The nitty gritty in terms of the specs of this thing, starting from this beautiful Plasma Man intake, tell us all about the motor.
Yeah, it's a fairly basic, just a Dart big M block. It's got a Callie's Magnum crankshaft, GRP alloy rods, set of JE pistons, Brodex off the shelf BB3 heads, and the Plasma Man intake, 16 injectors. There's nothing too special about it. It's just a good solid combo.
Any idea around power?
I made 2400 at the wheels on like 28 pounds, so yeah, it makes a fair bit of grunt.
You're knocking on the sixes earlier today. You run an 8th mile tonight. Have you got any sort of ET goals for this evening?
Look, if we can run a PB, it's gone 461 earlier today, so if we can run a 450 something, I'll be pretty happy with that.
And that's sort of indicative of a high 6 over the quarter, I suppose, which is awesome.
Yep, so it should do a high 6 when we turn it up, hopefully. We've been trying for long enough.
Attention all competitors, can I please get lights out to the staging lanes and 11s to 13s to the staging lanes. That's lights out to the staging lanes and 11s to 13s to the staging lanes.